today I'm gonna be showing you that I'm gonna be converting these boxes, they're wooden boxes, into something. I'm gonna recycle them by using paint, which I'm gonna paint the outside of it and connect them so you can use them for makeup shelves or any knickknacks that you have around the house. So that's what I'm gonna make, like a shelf out of it, but I'm gonna paint them first so they look interesting. So I'm thinking something like that. It's just something abstract to make usage of these boxes. So that's what I'm gonna do and see how it comes out. So something like that I want to do with them. So I want to make something like this. We can use it for like storage or for makeup or anything that you want them to do. So this is how they look. I'm gonna be painting them on the outside and then decorate them. So this is just a little something to do around the house, you know, like recycle your wooden boxes for something that you can use it for later. So this can be used like for your makeup, for anything that you think it's need to be stored in there. So something like that I'm thinking to make out of them, but I'll show you later. Okay, so for now I'm gonna paint them. So the first thing I'm gonna do with these boxes that I have here that I want to recycle and use is I'm gonna glue them like this in this pattern and then paint them. So first I'm gonna glue them so it's easier to use after I finish gluing them, and then just hold them there like half of it, and then glue the other part on top, which will be like this. Then I will paint them. Okay guys, so now I decided to stick them together. Like I said, now I'm gonna be painting them now that it's dry. And these can be organizers in your drawers, put your makeup, or for a centerpiece. Depends on what you want to do with them, but I'm gonna paint them white and I'll show you when I'm finished. So this is what I'm doing now, just painting them. Okay guys, so now I finished painting the inside black. So now I'm going to use this tape and do like a background shadow backdrop, like a rainfall of polka dots in the background. So I'm using this tape, and then I can trim off whatever I don't want afterwards. So I can just tear it off. And like you see, it's easy to apply. the background. Hello guys, this is the end result of the waterfall polka dot shadow boxes or multi-purpose organizer, or also you can use it for different things. So I have it finished, and you see the background is polka dots, the waterfall of polka dots, and it's all finished. And again, these were the boxes that cigars came in it, and I like the boxes, and I stained it, painted, and it's ready to go to be used. So you can use it different ways. You can use it this way, like making it tall, or you can flip it around and you can put it in the middle, and it fits perfectly. And see, you can use it different ways. So that's it, it's all finished. See you next time, and again, subscribe to my channel and press the like button, and also watch my other videos that I have on there. Thanks again guys. Talk to you later. See you on my next do-it-yourself project.